All right, we're going to show you how to replace a Pad-Pak on the Heartsine 350P AED. The great thing about Heartsine is they combine their pads and battery into a single Pad-Pak, so it makes replacing supplies and tracking them much easier. It also allows, they have the technology where their Pad-Pak actually lasts for 4 years, and most pads on the market today last for 2 years, and so that gives you some benefit there from a cost savings standpoint. So in order to replace the Pad-Pak, we want to open up the AED like this, and then what we're going to do is, it's easiest just to take the AED outside of the case. In order to use the AED, we would pull on this tab to expose the pads, but in this case we just want to replace the entire Pad-Pak. So there's little tabs on either side of the Pad-Pak, so we're going to press those in and we're going to slide the Pad-Pak out. As you can see, that's the back of the Pad-Pak. Here's the front. The Pad-Pak itself lists the expiration date right there in the corner. This one's good till November of 2020. New Pad-Paks typically come in a case that looks like this. We're going to open this up, pull it out. When we pull it out, it looks exactly like this. Now, to slide the new Pad-Pak in, you can hold it like this and slide it in, but it typically works a little better if we put them both on the table like this, line them up, and just slide the new Pad-Pak right in. Wait till it clicks, and you're ready to go. You know that the AED is in the rescue ready condition by just confirming that you've got that green readiness indicator light flashing up here in the corner. As soon as we see that, we know we're in good shape.